This video will discuss sensory evaluation of foods in regards to appearance. Factors such as food color, size, and shape will be discussed. Humans have 5 basic senses: taste, touch, smell, vision, and hearing. Sensory evaluation is the process of human analysis of the look, taste, smell, sound, and feel of food. In other words, using the senses to evaluate food. Take a moment to consider the expectations of the food you eat. The sensory evaluation being considered in this video is appearance. Food appearance refers to the shape, size, condition, and color of the food. The appearance is subjective to consumers. Consumers have expectations of what their food is supposed to look like. Food appearance is judged by 2 things: color attributes and geometric attributes like size and shape. The color of food can influence a consumer's perception of his or her other senses. When the colors of the food don't match the perception of the consumer may not buy the product. Is the Heinz ketchup in purple and green still on grocery store shelves? Food color measurements provide an objective index of food quality. This means that the quality is measurable instead of being based on what an individual sees. Color can be an indicator of ripeness or spoilage. An avocado is a different color when it is ready to eat. Results of cooking processes are judged by color. If a recipe comes back with a funny color, the cook probably is wondering what happened. The picture shows chocolate chip cookies baked with a variety of baking techniques, yielding different shades of the cookie. Unexpected colors can indicate problems with processing or packaging. Brownish and blackish colors of food are signs of enzymatic and sometimes non-enzymatic reactions. The Maillard reaction is the dominant browning reaction in meat. It is also called the browning reaction. This reaction occurs when denatured proteins on the surface of the meat combine with sugars that are present. This creates the meaty flavor and changes in color. This reaction occurs between 300 degrees Fahrenheit and 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The enzymatic browning found in fruits and vegetables is a result of enzymatic oxidation of phenolic compounds. Maintaining quality means measuring and standardizing color. The color of liquids can be measured using colorimeters or spectrophotometers. The color of solids can be measured by comparing the reflected color of the food to standardized colored tiles. Value, hue, and chroma are used when standardizing food color. Size and shape are also a part of food appearance. Foods like fruits and vegetables are graded based on their size and shape. This is usually done by using computerized electronic equipment. Consumers expect their food to look a certain way. Part of this is appearance factors of food. The appearance factors of food can be determined using sensory evaluation.